Hello, my name is Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. As we age, many of us notice that walking feels less steady, stairs feel more difficult, and even getting up from a chair may take extra effort. But aging does not mean you must accept weakness or loss of independence. Research shows that with gentle, consistent exercises, older adults can regain strength, balance, and confidence at any age. The first exercise is the plank. At first glance, it looks simple, but studies from the Journal of Physical Therapy Science show that core stabilization exercises like the plank reduce lower back pain and improve daily movement in older adults. Harvard Medical School even recommends the plank as one of the safest ways for seniors to strengthen their core. By practicing it for just a few seconds each day, you begin to rebuild the muscles that protect your back, improve posture, and help prevent falls. The next exercise is the bird dog. Research published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows that cross-body movements, like extending one arm forward and the opposite leg back, significantly improve coordination and reaction time in adults over 60. This exercise teaches your body to balance again, reduces the risk of stumbling, and restores trust in your movements. And finally, the third exercise is the lunge. According to the American College of Sports Medicine, lower body strength is one of the most important factors for maintaining independence in later years. Lunges strengthen the legs and hips, the very muscles needed for climbing stairs, standing up, and walking safely. Even modified lunges, practiced with support, can bring back stability and confidence. These three simple exercises, plank, bird dog, and lunge, are proven by science to help older adults move with greater strength, balance, and freedom. You do not need a gym, expensive equipment, or long routines. Just a few minutes each day can change how you live. So, try one today. Even if it is only for a few seconds, you are taking the first step toward strength and independence. Do not forget to subscribe for more gentle guides, inspiring stories, and practical tips for living joyfully at every age.